Snap mo yung mga parts. Each tool, which is multi-layer, di ba? Para pang-snap. Yun yung pinag-usapan natin kanina sa first part ng ating training. Letter H tool for snapping or for multi-layer. Pair tool, merge. Ay, di pa nila naturo yung merge kanina sa repair tool. Okay. Dagdagan natin yung repair tools na nalalaman natin kanina. That would be merge. Merge again. This one is a multi-layer and wasak na siya. Kapag wasak, sira-sira, mas mabuti pang i-redraw. Start from the beginning. And then, i-cut yung mga parts na sira. Headlines, using H tool. Alam nyo, hindi masyado kailangan sobrang ganda. Yung mga maliliit na miss na to, hindi yan importante. Molecules na yan. Napakaliit na yan, hindi na yan makikita. Or hindi na yan kailangang ayusin. We need speed, okay? Hindi tayo pwede lahat puro quality. We also have to combine our quality with speed. And this one, at lang, missing part, and then round. Ito, mali din pagkaka-label. May mga shape pa siya na hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng shape yon. So, i-redraw natin. So, again, drawing tools, bilog to. Hindi na natin kailangan kunin yung mga corners na yan. So, we can always use number 7 for this one. Tapos, meron pa isa. Kapag pareho silang bilog or kapag pareho silang na shape, you can always select, click Ctrl V, drag sa kabila, and that would be copy-paste. And again, use snap tool, which is letter H. And then group. This one, wala namang wall. So select, Control Q, ground, delete. Okay, pangit. Use letter G for this one. Wag number 7 kasi maraming corners yung number 7. This one is a townhouse. But since napaka-pangit ng mga cut niya, so kung ikakat ko yan dito, ikakat ko rin dito, hindi magiging symmetrical yung itsura ng buildings. Am I correct? So kapag ganito yung itsura ng townhouses, it's much better to draw them as one. For now. Hindi na natin to kailangan i-cut. So that would be a waste of time kapag kinat-cut pa natin to dahil ito lang natin. Kailangan yan. That should be drawn as like that. This one, big building. For the big building like this, delete. Draw. You can always draw them as one. And then from there, we can cut it. Simulan muna natin sa pag-draw. Cut. 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 Every connection ng mga big building na to is cut. Kahit sabihin pa nating isang layer lang sila or magkapareho lang sila ng height, basta big buildings guys, we have to cut them in every connection na meron sila to define yung mga layers or parts nila. This one again, merge na lang kasi okay na rin naman yung pagkaka-label. At I don't know if part yan or hindi. So for now, I will capture it as like that. And cut ko na lang to para mas reasonable. And then group. Baba na tayo dito sa part. Ito. So para sa part na to, fix na natin yan. And then it will be fine. This one is a big building. And as you can see, hanggang dito yan sa baba. So for this one, you can always, again, do a draw as one sa building na to. Kasi hindi naman kita yung wall niya. So kapag hindi yung kita yung wall niya, magagamit nyo itong draw as one para mas mapabilis yung paggawa nyo. Label nyo muna from the outline. Okay? And since yung building tumama sa atin, kunin natin yung buong building. Okay? Wag lang yung kakapiranggot kasi wala namang building na parang manananggal na nahati sa dalawa. Diba? Nandito tayo para i-label or fix yung mga buildings na to. So, let's do our job. Ganyan. Tapos from there, yung cut na this whole building. Okay, pwede na natin itong chop-chopin based sa mga linya na nakikita natin. Pero make sure na tama yung pagkakakat nyo kasi baka mamaya gawin nyo namang parang loaf yung bahay. Okay? Sobrang pagkat naman, wag naman ganun. Hindi naman siguro kayo SK chairman, di ba? Barangay captain. Na to, missing part, so draw lang natin. And tapos na tayo para sa big building na to. And always select and then group. Meron pa pala dito. Cut again. And then group. So, yung big building na yun. Cut tayo sa kabila. This one. Sira. Relabel. So, may parang pototoy pa sa gilid. So, lakihan na lang natin para hindi masagwa tignan. This one, tawag na to. Hindi siya na-snap. So, snap lang natin. This one as well. And then group. Round. Select, delete. Don't need to ask questions for that. Kapag round, automatically delete. Okay. This one, big building. Okay, so delete natin. Don't waste your time fixing broken things. Delete them. Do not try to fix broken relationships. Di ba, bro? Si Romer learned it in a hard way. Kapag nag-label pala kayo ng multi-layer, so sorry for that. Always know kung saan yung top layer ng building. Okay? Which is ito, mali ito. So, alin yung top layer ng building na to? Guys, anyone? Tulog na ba lahat?
Hindi pa, sir. Wala pa po, sir. Thank you.
Asan dito yung top layer ng building? Sumagot na kayo, lumalakad yung oras ko.
Yung square, sir.
Yung square,
Yung
eto.
gray part.
Kung sabihin ko ito,
Yan.
kung titignan nyo yung building, first layer. Di ba? Pareho sila. Second layer, may nakatungtong sa first layer. And that would be this layer. And ito yung layer na to or yung part na to, meron pa nakatungtong sa top niya. So this would be our top layer for this building. Okay?
Okay po.
So, mag-okay talaga naman kayo. Wala na rin naman kayo magagawa. So, ililabel ko to as ganito. Merge ko yan. Select. Drag 3D. Mag-extend muna ako ng 3D kasi hindi ko makita yung bottom part nito eh. So, mag-extend muna ako for this. Tapos, ililabel ko yung lower layer. Which is eto.